Hello everyone, welcome back to another review. Today we are taking a look at this 2010 Honda CRZ. I'll show you a full in-depth of this car, show you around, inside and outside. So without further ado, let's get right into the review. Nice racing livery on it, we'll get to that in a minute. This is a hybrid too. Oh, goodness gracious me. Fraggly looking vehicle. Nice matte red exterior paint, a little bit of racing livery on it. Halogens. Don't know what kind those are, I think they're 14s maybe. BF Goodrich 15. Nice little racing flag here, very cool. Oops, getting that a little too hard. Honda Racing. The odd thing with the door handles here, it's like the Fair Lady. You just reach in, you pull them out like that. Much like the Fair Lady. Alright. Nice little read up on the gauge cluster right there. Really nice bright looking gauge cluster. Though I hope you do understand Japanese. It's the case in these Jap cars. I am saying Jap, don't mean to be racist. Parking brake. Nice leather wrapped steering wheel. Your pedals, little pedals here. Your controls, your volume. Over here you got your climate controls. Your hood release is just under here. Again, the door being much like the Fair Lady. There's handles here. Window controls. Automatic. You got your door locks here and your window locks too. Have you got your traction control, your lights, your mirror controls. And your seats. CRZ branded carpeting. Cup holders. On the door panel you've got storage in here, speaker, grab handle, your handle and all that. Mirror. daytime light. Climb into the back. Pretty simple. Just sort my legs out here. Not a lot of headroom at all. That's one major thing. I mean, look at that. Terrible. A little bit of leg room. It's going to be lots of leg room up the front as well, because it's very big up the front. You just climb out. But me being a very tall guy, it's a little bit easier, a little bit harder for me. I'm really digging this racing livery. Really digging it. Nice exterior light here. Makes it look ugly but stylish too. Opening hatch. And your fold down seats. Like that. Got your wheel kits and all that, or more storage. Spare wheel will be under all that. Some hooks here, you can strap stuff down. A lot of room, so it won't be too hard to get anything in there, but I don't recommend putting anything too big in there. I might have a hard time getting it back out. Got your brake light here too. Very nice. Nice split window. Look on the inside. Don't mean to insult the car. Oh yeah, another thing about the headroom up there. When you're in the back, I recommend you do not go over bumps. Another thing is, that opens right onto your leg, so make sure you guide it, because if you just drop it, it will hit your leg. Not a lot of room thought to be put into this car. Not a lot of storage in there anyway, so you got your vents, your blowing air. Obviously, what else would there be blowing? Oh my goodness. Storage in here, which doesn't keep itself up. Nice CRZ badge here. I think this car is more designed to go fast, I guess. Or something, I don't know. Light on the door sills. Nothing too exciting on the door sills. Strangely enough, there is not one of these on the driver's side of the car. But there is one on the passenger side. Nice seats back here. You might want to keep the seats forward too. This car also has an emergency lock system too. Window shields up here. Colour coded wing mirrors too. Fuel injection, this is a hybrid, as the battery should just say. So it's got fuel and a battery power. Let me just turn the music off before I get copyrighted. What does that do? Can someone tell me in the comments below what that does? Just in case you have one of these. Alright guys, so that has been the review of this 2010 Honda CRZ. Don't know how I mixed those names up. But if you do like this video, make sure to hit the like button. If you do like the content I put up, make sure to subscribe. This has been the car reviewer. Peace out.